So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you what dynamic routing is and how to get and use parameters. So let's get started. So in the previous tutorial I showed you what nested routing is. So this is a nested route, and let's say I am in my product, right? So if I go to product, right, that works. I am in my product page. But when you are creating an e-commerce site, right, you would need to get data from a database about that specific product. And most of the time what happens is it's a slash and then the ID of the product. Okay, and if I go to this, you will see this is giving me a 404 error because this route does not exist, but I need to get this ID. So how do you do that? You do that with dynamic routing. So how do you do dynamic routing? So I'm in product, right? Here I will basically just create a new folder, but to make this dynamic, what you do is you add brackets, and then inside of this let's say have a product and ID. Okay, this is what I'm going to name this, and inside of this what I'm going to do is create a new file called page.js. Okay, because this is considered the index file of a folder. Okay, so I'm in this. I'm just going to copy paste this, okay, to save time. And now this is a dynamic route. Okay, if I'm save this, and if I go to this, you will see this is now working, but I need to get this, right? So this is where the second part comes in. I have created my dynamic route, but I need to get the parameter. Okay, so to get a param, what you do is in the page.js file of your dynamic route, you add in curly brackets and then you put in params. Okay, and then there are two ways of doing this. I'll just show you this way because most of the time this is what you're going to do. So const, I'm going to destructure this and params. Okay, and now in this, since I'm destructuring this, I'm going to get the name of the parameter. Okay, so it's going to be product ID. So product ID. Okay, and now I can just take this, put this here, and if I save this, you will see now I'm able to get the parameter, that is this right here. Okay, and let's say I change this to like 15, right? This is 15, and I can also give this a name like so. This is how you get the param. So I hope you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.